Thank you for choosing the Cushman Titan. This vehicle is available in several configurations. The Titan has been designed to operate in a warehouse or factory environment with semi-smooth floors, roads, and ramps. Because of the harsh conditions the Titan is subjected to, it is available with a Type E and EE certification, and for European operations, a CE certified model is also available. Cushman's goal is to design and manufacture safe utility vehicles, but the maintenance and performance of the vehicle relies largely on the operator. So we want you to take the time to understand the Cushman Titan, its equipment, and how to use it safely. Charged up. Before initial use of the vehicle, make sure the batteries are fully charged. Use a dedicated 15-amp circuit for each battery circuit, and do not allow other electrical devices to be plugged into the receptacle when the charger is in use. Titan vehicles come equipped with an onboard charger, which is located under the cargo deck at the rear of the vehicle. The charger is wired directly to the batteries. Before the operator begins charging, park the vehicle in a well-ventilated area, set the parking brake, turn the key switch to off, and remove the key. Pull the charger out of the charger cord and plug into a dedicated 15-amp AC outlet to start the charger. When the charging cycle is complete, disconnect the charger cord and replace it in the store. If your Titan is equipped with a swing-out battery tray, the bumper should always be in contact with the battery door when closed. Adjust the rubber bumper to remove any slack between the latch and latch lock. Type EE vehicles will have a lock located near the bottom of the swing-out battery tray doors. A key to operate the lock is supplied with each Type EE vehicle. Controls, meters, and switches. The controls, meters, and switches consist of a key switch, light switch, may not be applicable, direction selector, state of charge meter, hour meter, brake light, horn, turn signal switch, hazard lights, accelerator pedal, brake pedal, park brake, cup holder, glove box, run tow, maintenance, storage switch, fuse block, fold down seat, 4 passengers only, operator present switch, tie down slots, emergency stop switch, CE vehicles only. Starting the vehicle. All vehicles are equipped with an interlock system that disables the controller and prevents the vehicle from being operated or moved while the charger is connected. Disconnect the charger cord from the receptacle and properly store the cord prior to moving the vehicle. Driving the vehicle. Make sure you are properly seated in the operator's seat. Make sure the direction selector switch is in the neutral position. Apply the parking brake if it isn't already applied. Insert the key in the key switch and turn it to the on position. Move the direction selector switch to the desired direction. When the direction selector is in the reverse position, a warning signal will sound. This is a device to indicate the vehicle is ready to run in reverse. Check the area behind the vehicle before operating in reverse. To reduce the possibility of permanent damage to the drive system, it is important to prevent excessive rollback when starting the vehicle on a hill. Excessive speeds may result in severe damage to the drivetrain components or loss of control of the vehicle. Damage caused by excessive speed will not be covered under warranty. Always bring the vehicle to a complete stop before shifting the direction selector. Travel directly up or down inclines. Do not travel across the face of any incline, ramp, grade, or slope. The recommended ramp grade and side tilt is 25% or 14 degrees maximum. Sudden sharp turns, unbalanced, or top-heavy loads can cause upset. Cargo must be secured to the platform. Avoid sudden stops and starts. Adjust your speed to current driving conditions. Before leaving the vehicle, turn the key to the off position and remove. Safety components. The Titan comes equipped with some very essential safety features. A speed control system is provided for the operator's safety. Vehicles are equipped with a regenerative motor control system which limits the speed of the vehicle to the specified speed. An example of the speed control system coming into play would be if A. the vehicle is being driven down a slope, B. The vehicle attempts to exceed the specified top speed with the accelerator pedal depressed or released. Pedal up braking. Pedal up braking is regenerative braking that occurs when the accelerator pedal is released while the vehicle is moving. An example of pedal up braking would be if the following events occur. A. The vehicle is being driven down a slope. B. The accelerator pedal is released for more than 1 second. The pedal up braking will slow the vehicle. The warning beeper will not sound until it rolls to a stop or the accelerator pedal is applied. When pedal up braking system is activated by this sequence of events, the motor generates power which is returned to the batteries. Walk away feature. Walk away limits vehicle movement without driver input, slows the vehicle to 2 miles per hour, 3 kilometers per hour, and sounds an alarm. An example of the walk-away feature would be if the following events occur. A. The vehicle has been stopped for more than 1.5 seconds. B. The accelerator pedal has been released for more than 1 second. C. The vehicle begins to roll about 2 miles per hour, 3 kilometers per hour. Once the accelerator pedal is depressed, the walk-away feature and beeper will be overridden and normal operation resumes. The system functions in all key switch positions. Anti-rollback feature. Anti-rollback, like walkaway, limits backward motion of the vehicle down an incline to less than 2 miles per hour, 3 kilometers per hour. Anti-stall feature. Anti-stall protection prevents motor damage from stalling the vehicle against an object or on a hill. An example of the anti-stall feature would be if the system senses that the accelerator pedal is depressed, power applied to motor, and A. The motor is stalled long enough that any more time may cause motor damage, the anti-stall feature will momentarily interrupt power to the motor. This brief interruption will permit the car to roll backwards slightly before again stopping in the stalled condition. This process will repeat itself periodically until the car is moved from the stalled condition. Or B. The brake is engaged so as to prevent vehicle motion. The anti-stall feature will sense a stalled motor condition and remove power from the motor. When the brake pedal is released, the car will roll backwards slightly before power is returned to the motor. High pedal disable feature. The high pedal disable avoids undesired acceleration if the direction selector lever is changed or the key is turned on while the accelerator is depressed. Limp home feature. If an electrical system failed, the limp home feature will default to a mode that will allow the vehicle to move, but only at a very slow speed. This feature allows the vehicle to be driven back to its storage facility where the problem can be diagnosed. The controller will flash fault codes that can be read by the technician. Good common sense and prudent driving practices do more to prevent accidents and injury than all the warnings and instructions combined. The manufacturer strongly suggests that the owner-operator read this entire manual, paying particular attention to the cautions and warnings contained therein. It is further recommended that employees and operators be encouraged to do the same.